All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do your first homework assignment. And once you get the first one, then you'll be able to do all of them. So I have my course pack bundle here with my 3 books, chapters 1 through 3, 4 through 5, and 6 through 10. And then I also have my answer key here. And I have my computer set up here, and I'm on YouTube there. So your colors may be a little different here, but the structure is going to be the same. You might have a different answer book that's a different color, but either way, this is going to work. So what I'm doing now that I have everything to do, I'm starting with just chapters 1 through 3, because the first assignment we need to do is just chapter 1, section 1. So I'm calling that 1.1. And so if you look at the table of contents here, so if we look at the table of contents here, chapter 1, 1.1, our number system and rounding. So let's turn to it. Okay, so what I have in my book right here is going to follow along with the video. You notice the examples in the book are left blank. That's because I'm working those in the video for you, so you can kind of follow along, work along with examples. Any practice problem you come to like this is when you pause the video player and work this problem by yourself. So here I am on YouTube, and I'm searching Practical Algebra 1.1. And that's all you have to do to find any of these videos is search Practical Algebra in the section we're looking at. And so, not tutoring. So we go past the ads. And there it is right there. Sorry, there it is right there. Practical Algebra 1.1.
System and rounding.
So there I am on the video.
This video will help you learn whole number place value, learn decimal number place value.
And so you're going to follow along with the video, taking notes as we go, until we get to a practice problem. And so right here, here's an example. I'm working through an example in the video right now, and the example's about done, so I'll start the video there.
Video player and answer these 2 practice questions. Questions 3 and 4 there. And when you're done, hit play to see how you did.
That's it. So that's what you're going to do. So now I go back to my book and answer these 2 practice questions. When I get done, I hit play on the video, and I watch the answers come back, and you watch me work through those problems. Okay? And so that's the way you're working. This is during your learning. So I'm simulating like a classroom learning here. I teach you some things, show you some examples, have you work some practice problems. So you're going to continue through your workbook just like that. Working the practice problems, following along with notes, and this keeps going on until we get all the way down to practice problem 18. At the end of practice problem 18 now, the video is going to stop, and that will be the end of your lesson. So just like in the classroom, after we're done with our lesson, we have some homework. So now it's your chance to do some homework. And so these exercises in the book are your homework. So you're going to go through and work these exercises. I would say work 3 or 4 exercises and check your answers. Okay, so in your printed answer book here, you're not going to have any practice problem answers. Those are in the video. But you will have exercise answers. So here are all of your exercise answers for chapter 1, section 1. And you can see we got all our answers here. So work 3 or 4 problems, check them on the answer book. It looks like we left out problems 1 through 4 here because those were written out long things. We didn't have any room in the answer book. So you just have to rock with those. If you have any questions with that, just ask me. But questions 1 through 4, we don't have answers. Usually we have answers for everything. So now, check all our answers in here. When you get done with the final exercise, which looks like question 36, then what you're going to do now is you're going to scan your homework and send it in to me. And so any place you've worked an exercise question, which are all these pages here, any place you've worked a practice question, you're going to scan these pages using OneDrive and send them in and attach them to Teams. I've placed a video already showing you how to scan and send that. So you've already got that information. So you should be good to go on your homework now.